I ain't never got the respect that I truly deserve. That's why I park them double M's and R's on the curb. FA do 200, I'm destined to swerve. All my life these niggas hate it, they really some birds. So when my brother got them birds, we stunted on nerves. They ain't fucking, then it's up, we punting them nerves. We pull up and set the tone, we moving a herd. Ask God how pulling them M's from rhyming my words. How these bitches lose a spot from irking my nerves. I don't wanna be your friend, you niggas is poor. I don't wanna be your man, you don't know your credit score. Know you burnt your shit out trying to impress the core. Might've burned myself twice chasing dirty whores. I done slut this bitch out, we just made us more. Gave this bitch 1,000 knowing that she want more. And I'm ruthless, I refuse to take that bitch to Roof Chris. I refuse to do what he do, you ain't my bitch. I ain't buying you no watch, that ain't my wrist. Yeah. I done broke my bank 100 times to help these niggas. When nobody give a fuck if I want wealthy, nigga. If I get jammed, how many bitches finna write me, nigga? If I get shot, who at my wake standing beside me, nigga? Who finna take care of my moms and my sister when they crying to my bitch and they the only ones who really miss me? Everybody else gon' go on with they damn life, and my bitch should probably go and be somebody's wife. That's why my back against the wall and I be thinking twice. Cause would these niggas pay my bill if I couldn't keep on lights? Bitch say I'm too distant from her, I got every right. I think about my brother Blackwalla every night. The law be tryna hold him down, give him every strike. I really think his lawyer's sweet, we might black his eyes. I really stand on all my toes, half you niggas fried. I ain't breaking shit down ever, I'm gon' settle pie. I'm breaking shit down, I'm gon' settle pie. From the D to the A, I might let it fly. Oh, Michigan boy Bo, yeah. In my final form, nigga.